Good morning, everyone. This morning, you are about to watch a video to learn more about atomic structure of chemicals. After watching this video, you should be able to give the relative charges and masses of a proton, a neutron, and an electron. You should also be able to describe the structure of an atom. You will also understand the terms proton number and nucleon number. With this knowledge, you will be able to deduce the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in an atom by looking at the symbol of a particular element in the periodic table. Let us begin our lesson by looking at the structure of an atom. You will notice that it is made up of three subatomic particles. Their names are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now, where are these three subatomic particles found in the atom? The protons and neutrons are located in the center of the atom, which we call the nucleus. As for the electrons, they are found orbiting around the nucleus, and we call this area the electron shells. Let's find out more about the proton. It is represented by the small letter p. Each proton is given a relative mass of 1 and holds a relative charge of positive 1. The next subatomic particle is the neutron. It is represented by the small letter n. Each neutron is also given a relative mass of 1 and it holds no charge. The final subatomic particle is the electron. It is represented by the small letter e. Each electron has a relative mass of 1 over 1840, which gives it a negligible mass. The electron holds a relative charge of negative 1. What has been mentioned about the three subatomic particles can be summarized as shown in this table. Take a moment to see their similarities and differences. Before you can find the number of each of the subatomic particles, let's understand the term proton number. The value of this number tells us the number of protons in an atom. It is also known as the atomic number and is given the symbol of capital Z. Since an atom is electrically neutral, which means that it has no overall charge, the proton number can also tell us the number of electrons in the same atom. That means the number of protons is the same as the number of electrons in an atom. Each element has a unique proton number. This means that no two different elements share the same proton number. For example, any atom with 6 protons must be a carbon atom. It cannot be any other element. You might be wondering where to locate this proton number for a certain element. It can be found in the periodic table. Look at the example given for sodium. Let's try to find the proton number for some elements. Here are the answers. Did you get it right? The final term you will need to understand is the nucleon number. The value of this number tells us the total number of protons and number of neutrons in an atom. It is also known as the mass number, as the mass of an atom depends only on the number of protons and neutrons. With this information, you can actually calculate the number of neutrons in an atom. Looking at the same elements a while ago, try to calculate the number of neutrons. Here are the answers. Did you get it right this time? Congratulate yourself for viewing this video completely. It's time to test what you have learned from the video. Log into the school's Ask and Learn LMS and attempt the task titled Atomic Structure. This task is in the form of a game called Cast a Spell. Answer the 10 questions and good luck.